how to sell gaming accessories on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here, as you can see, you have to go through 6 steps in order to set your shop, and these start with the shop preferences. Then comes name in your shop, then you go to stock in your shop, then you'll choose how you'll get paid, then you set up your billing and your payment processors, then you set your shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you set up your Etsy shop, you choose the language, the country, and the shop's currency. So let's change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. And in the next step, you choose the name of the shop. So here make sure to choose a catchy name, something related to your niche. So here the name that I choose is already taken, as you can see in here. So here you have some suggestions to use, or you can just add a number or change one of the characters to a capital character. And it seems the name is also taken. Let's just leave it like this, and let's try to add a number like that. It's already taken. Change the number, and here it is, the name is available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. So here you will add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So guys, before we go to fill in the details and the photos or adding them, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that they are required to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And here we have 4 sections, as you can see. The photos section, where it's required to upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory, where it's required to fill the price field. Then we have the listing details. Here it's required to fill all of these red fields, all of the fields in red, you need to fill them. Then you have the shipping, and also it's required to fill all of these red details, just like the listing details. So let's just start from the first one, which is photos. And here, as you can see, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips regarding making photos for your product, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they'll love it. So for the title, include keywords that buyers would use to search for your item. So here I'm going to type the title of my product. Then you answer these questions about the listing. The first one is who made it. So here you have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. So here let's go with I did. And then we have what is it, a finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have here 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently, and specifically between 2020 and 2023. Then we have the category. So type a 2 or 3 word description of your item to get category suggestions that will help more shoppers find it. So let's type a keyword. Then here we have a lot of categories to go with. So let's go with the first one. Then here you have some details to fill, like the primary color of your product. You can choose it in here. The secondary color as well. Choose the color that your product have. Then you have the renewal options. Each renewal lasts for 4 months or until the listing sells out. So here if you want to choose the automatic one, it costs 20 cents. Or if you want to choose the manual one, it's free. So I'm going to choose the free one. Then we have the type of the product, if it's physical or digital. I'm going to leave it as physical. Then we move on to description. So guys, in order to write a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. So if you have any production partner, you can add him in here. Then you have these 3 additional details that we're going to leave for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here make sure to give it a fair price for you and for your clients as well. Then you have the domestic and global pricing. If you want to turn it on, then you will need to give it 2 prices, one for your country and one for everywhere else. Then we have the shipping settings. So here make sure to fill all of the red fields as I said in the beginning. Give them the original postal code, processing time. Also fill these red fields. The standard shipping, you can fill it in here for Morocco, for everywhere else. Then last but not least, we have the returns and exchanges policy. So you can apply the 30 days one, or you can choose another one in here. Then click on save and continue. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.